The Reading Cloud is a fantastic online reading community designed to engage students, parents, librarians and teachers in sharing their enjoyment in reading for pleasure, drive up literacy standards and develop core reading skills. Being part of the Reading Cloud social network will capture the imagination of young readers, linking their real and virtual reading experiences and giving them a way of sharing their opinions and working collaboratively in a safe and managed environment. It also enables anytime, anywhere access through mobile technologies. So let's explore the Reading Cloud. There is so much to see. I have logged onto the homepage as a student. As you can see, immediately there is a What's on Your Mind timeline to update the user status, and below are details of previous timeline entries for both themselves and their friends. To the right are notifications of which school friends are online and the opportunity to chat with them. This provides schools with a tool to enable the teaching of social networking skills in a safe and moderated environment. As with other features covered in this demo, it can be enabled or disabled as required. The school's Facebook and Twitter feeds can appear on the post-it notes on the right of the screen. As I scroll down the page, a range of gateways to reading pathways are revealed, such as Who Next personalised book recommendations. Clicking here reveals a list of recommended reads based on the user's past loans. Featured Author provides a profile of a particular author, in this case Jacqueline Wilson. Selecting this opens their profile page, which includes a biography, a selection of their books, any videos of the author talking about their books, and links to other authors to try who write in a similar style or genre. Star Review showcases all the latest book reviews written or recorded by other students and staff, and is a great way of selecting your next book. Users can also see at a glance which search terms are trending in their school or within the whole Reading Cloud community. This includes hashtags from blogs and timeline posts too. The Meet the Authors link shows a list of every author where we have videos of them talking about their books or creative writing ideas. A simple click on an author again takes you to their profile page with those clips and other details and links listed. The Who Next search allows you to find an author you already like, and the Reading Cloud will suggest a list of other authors you could try. Within the most popular books, you can check to see who are the most popular books and authors within just your school or across the whole Reading Cloud. Within my school, there are the latest lists of top resources, latest returns and new resources. To view the information about what's popular across all our hosted school library sites, select the Everyone button. Clicking on the drop-down box gives you a range of reports to choose from and can be viewed either in primary or secondary versions and across date ranges. But that's just the start. There are so many ways of contributing to and becoming part of this exciting online reading cloud community. Let's find out how by looking at the tabs across the top left of the screen in more detail. My blog enables all users to become authors too, by writing about what they are enjoying reading, which authors they like, or even what's happening in the library. My home library provides an easy way of cataloguing your own books and resources and then loaning them out to friends, who will be able to see them the instant they are added. This facility aims to encourage book ownership and sharing of treasured reads in a responsible way. It will also allow schools to understand better which students have books at home and which authors they enjoy. Why not even purchase a few additional barcode scanners and loan them out to speed up the cataloguing process for students? Let's add a book. It's easy. As you can see, my library activities then lets you keep track of your home library loans and any requests you have made to borrow items from friends' home libraries. Within my profile, the user can really personalise their online presence within the Reading Cloud community by adding a brief biography about themselves, creating an avatar, and sharing their book, author and profile likes. Within Friends, users can search for new friends and view their current and requested friends. The People You May Know section will suggest possible students to send invitations to and add as friends, by using the same class, year group or school as parameters. My account would be one of the many great features to share with parents who wish to become more involved in their child's reading journey. It is where details of the borrower's current books on loan, past loans, reservations, and reviews written can be found. Within my reviews, a green tick icon appears to show which reviews have been approved and published, but you're still able to add to an approved review by clicking on Edit and resending to the librarian for approval. Librarians and teachers can create recommended reading lists of library resources, such as for popular authors or curricular coursework topics, within the management area of Junior Librarian or Eclipse.net. The lists can then be pushed out to specific year or tutor groups, subject areas or individual students within the Reading Cloud, and will then appear within my reading lists. Pupils can also create their own personal reading lists. To do this, all they need to do is find a book they would like to include on their list, open the book record and click on Add to List. They will be given the option to add to an existing reading list or to create a new one. This title has now been added to the Fantastic Worlds reading list. There are also a number of different Reading Cloud themes available, still with all the same great features, but with interfaces more suitable for older students. Pupil library assistants and library staff can be given access to circulate through the Reading Cloud, where it will appear as a tab. The search facilities at the top of the screen provide instant access to a wealth of book, author and publisher digital content, and would be an ideal tool to use for research tasks in lessons. Let's do a simple search for resources about author Krista Lacey. Search results are displayed in a flexible and straightforward way, so that the user can firstly look at what can be found in their school library and then their local public library. Before looking at Discovery. Which shows all matching records from our online cataloguing database, whether it's available in your school or public library or not. So if a user finds a book they would like their school library to acquire, they have the option to send a request to their school librarian by clicking on the Suggest a Librarian button. This suggested title will then appear on the wish list within the management area of Junior Librarian or Eclipse.net. Further matching results can be seen in community content, such as blogs, profiles, reviews, and even within their friends' home libraries. It's all down to the user to choose what to do next and possibly refine their search, thus improving their own information seeking and research skills. Selecting a title opens the full record card. Here you have the main information about that title, keyword tags and links. More info reveals all the bibliographic data we hold about that book. My library availability shows how many copies are available in school or in the public library or are reserved. If there is one available, the library floor plan can also be viewed for the title, helping borrowers to locate resources prior to their visit to the library. Clicking on the compass icon opens the floor plan, showing the book's location. Where multiple floor plans are configured, such as for more than one library site within a school, a drop-down menu will appear to show the available selections. There's also a list of related books based on the author and title. Similar books by other authors alongside independent book reviews, written and video reviews by other students, and even sample pages or chapters. If the record you selected was an e-book from the MLS Overdrive library, the options to read or download the book would be available. Schools who have Accelerated Reader will be able to see the AR details for a resource and opt to select the Take Quiz button. Users can instantly add to the content about a resource by creating and publishing their own video or text review. Alternatively, they can simply just like the book with one click and push it out to friends and contacts by the Twitter and Facebook links to show what they are enjoying reading. There are lots of other search choices available within the Advanced Search option, and they will be familiar to any existing MLS library users, such as Views and Picture Search. I am sure you will agree that the Reading Cloud has the potential to help you to build upon the reading community within your school by actively encouraging students to become authors, share their reading choices, and engage in a thriving online reading culture. It will also enable you to teach social networking skills and allow students to practice these and chat online with their school friends within a secure online environment managed by your school. If you'd like to discover more about how the Reading Cloud could work within your school, please contact one of our account managers on 0161 449 9357, who would be happy to help.